Business activities and other beehive events in Lagos State were today locked down as residents of the state filed out to vote in the governorship and House of Assembly elections. And it is expected that when a curfew is imposed, movement within and across the state is restricted. Our correspondent Abiola Ismail monitored the election in the Lagos State Senatorial District. He brings this report.
This is Ojota Toll Gate, the entrance to Lagos State, the economic nerve center of Africa. The hustling and bustling is not seen today, not because of anything, it's because of the governorship and House of Assembly election that is taking place today. As you can see, one can say that Lagos is a deserted area, but the question is, can Lagos be like this on a good day?
Well, definitely this is a national assignment and everybody is participating, and that is what has just caused non-movement around here, because everybody, I think we're all concentrating to see how we do our civic responsibility. So for that, I can say everywhere is calm, and I believe it can always be. But for an economy that is working, you should not expect the road to be as dry as this.
It was very unusual to see Lagos, the Nigerian economic nerve center, like this. Lagos with the slogan, "No one sleeps 24/7. Lagos roads are always busy with commuters, road users and other activities always took the center stage on a daily basis. But with the 2019 general elections, all activities stood still as Nigerians fight out to elect their representatives to all the political offices from the State House of Assembly to the office of the governor. How do electorates see the conduct of the general election so far?
That INEC should improve on its performance. They performed well at the last election, although they came late. But the reason for lateness today is most unfortunate. And next time, they should ensure their staff are properly paid and properly settled.
Meanwhile, in spite of the lockdown of business activities, the conduct of the election was adjudged peaceful, but with low turnout of voters.
The exercise started late, but once it started, it has been a smooth sail. If we have to compare with what's happened at the presidential election, this is a shade better. This is a shade better. There is an improvement in the turnout of people.
One of the gubernatorial candidates, Babatunde Badamasi, at Isele Ward, polling unit 14 IKORODU, cast his vote at around 11:45 a.m. Badamasi and other electorates in IKORODU waited patiently for the arrival of INEC officials who came late due to logistic challenges.
We need to improve ourselves. We need to improve our lives. The world is leaving us behind. You know, we cannot continue to live like this. I don't understand why people in authority cannot get that into their heads. If it's possible for us at this stage in our lives, for our banks to print MasterCards and Visa cards on the spot, why is it difficult for us to get our PVCs on the spot? I mean, the PVC is not a financial document. It's simply something that allows you to vote, and it's restricted to Nigeria.
This politics nowadays is not with bitterness. We are the same family. We have no other place to go. All the people that are contesting are all my children. So whoever wins will be able to be magnanimous enough to bring everybody into his fold and embrace each other.
By and large, the presidential, National Assembly, the governorship and House of Assembly elections have come and gone. Nigerians are now looking forward to a buoyant and vibrant economic activities. Abiola Ismail, MI